If you purchased the Air 2S with the RC Pro controller, there's more to this bundle than just big savings. You ready? Let's do this. I'm out here with Aerial Landscapes, William. I'm gonna leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description section below. You guys make sure you check him out, give him a sub. He's got some really nice, beautiful cityscapes, especially if you guys work in city buildings and you want some New York background in your life. 3,500 milliamperes versus 3,750. You heard me, milliamperes usually equals flight time. If you bought an Air 2S Fly More combo or standard combo that comes with the stock controller or the old smart controller, you get a 3,500 milliampere battery. Check your label. Your label will show you everything. If you bought the new combo that comes with the new RC Pro controller, the new one, then you get the new batteries, which are 3,750 milliamperes. That's 250 milliamperes more power packed inside this new battery, and it's only available, at least where I've seen it, it's only available in the new RC Pro combo. So how much flight time more does that equate to? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's throw this bad boy up in the air and see what it can do. Here is the actual flight logs. I just showed you guys a little clips that I picked up from flying around. Basically, I try to fly the same path and to keep it in sports mode on both batteries from 90% down to 60%. From 60%, I just flew around roughly at the same altitude and try to keep the flight path roughly the same for both drones as well. And all I got was a 1 minute difference. The new battery gave me actually 1 minute more. Now, flight time is flight time, right? More flight time is more flight time. 1 minute is 1 minute, give or take. So not much of a difference there, but if you do have to buy an Air 2S, I would say if you can, buy the one with the RC Pro, because that will give you roughly 1 extra minute of flight time, right? If you own one of the older Air 2Ss, you don't have to fight up or rush or feel like you're missing out on anything. 1 minute, really, and that's pushing both batteries down to 9%. There's no particular other difference between these two batteries. However, there is one thing that you need to be on the lookout for, and that is the multi-charger. If you have a multi-charger like mine, like this one here, I'll show you a picture on the screen. This charges all 4 of my Air 2S batteries at the same time, so I do not have to wait forever just to go and burn 3 batteries. However, with these new batteries, these 3,750 milliampere batteries, the first time I put them on my multi-charger, it just would not work. So I had to charge it with the standard charger that comes in the Fly More kit. And then when I burnt this first battery down to 10%, and then I put it on the multi-charger, my aftermarket charger, then it charges it. So just bear that in mind if you want to get a multi-charger, or if you already have a multi-charger and you happen to grab one of these batteries. charge it with the original charger, take it for one flight, and then pop it on the multi-charger, and you should be just fine. It doesn't really matter which one of these two you have. It doesn't make much of a difference. However, 1 minute is 1 minute. And if you have 3 batteries, then you get 3 more minutes. So that's it. Figured I'd make a video, share with you guys that the changes go just beyond savings that you save if you buy this kit compared to buying the RC Pro separately. And DJI says that they will push an update for this controller to work the Mavic 3. And when that happens, then I will consider buying the Mavic 3 again just to fly it with this controller. But if not, then I'm happy with my Air 2S for now until the Air 3S comes out. All right, that's it. Make sure you do all the fun stuff. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I drop more videos. Make sure that you give me a huge thumbs up so YouTube knows I'm out here making videos for you guys. And I will catch you whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.